Hi, my name is Bob. I decided to do this because there are too many products and it's too confusing. They make claims that just aren't true. I have always had cars that people wanted to buy from me, and they always said that, Edmunds doesn't have a category for your car. It was in such good shape, so I always get top dollar for my cars. I have 3 vehicles right now that have all been washed, waxed, and we're doing the tests on. I also have a variety of products here that some I like, some I don't. I have some towels that I particularly like this one here by Adams is a borderless towel. It's an ultra plush brownie towel, but I just don't use it primarily by itself. So there are a lot of things I want to cover, and again, that truck was washed and waxed on February 17th, and I've got 4 washes on it now. It's going to get its 5th wash this weekend, and we're going to splice all this together and get a video out to you about that, and then I will start reviewing products, and in the subsequent washes and subsequent videos as we're watching to see how long that test holds up. I will tell you, on this vehicle I used new finish underneath with this on top. On the truck I used this Carnauba wax polish, which gives a nice deep shine, but Carnauba doesn't like the heat and doesn't like hot water at all. With this on the left side, the driver's side, and on the driver's side doors, I put this on the door and this over the top as a topper. On the passenger side, I used this with the Meguiar's hybrid, and we're going to see how that all works out. We're going to see how that does. There was a problem already where one of them failed, and we're going to talk about why that might have occurred and at a later date. So anyway, I'm really hoping to cut through the bull, get you guys what you need, and I'm tired of fake claims. I'm also tired of products like this. This is a professional product that I bought for my black truck. All it did was hide scratches, but it actually made more. So when it wore off, it actually had more swirl marks in it than when I put it on. But while it was still, while it hadn't been rubbed off, it looked like the swirl marks were gone. So I went to this. This does a great job of taking out swirl marks. Gives a deep shine, but it goes away too fast because it has Carnauba in it. So there are a lot of products that they use for cars that you're buying on the lot, and it's just to hide the real problems. And I don't like to hide a problem. I like it to not actually be there. And so I like to stop it before it can occur. That black truck, I have done a lot of paint correction because I was using bad products, which we will talk about. Wash 5, just wetting down the truck. Well, it was a little too warm, so I actually washed it twice, but we'll still count this only as 5 washes, even though it got hit twice. This here was all in the sun, so we'll see how that does over time. If it lost anything. It got pretty warm, that hood did. So it's still beating. It has sheeted some. But that's 5 and 6 washes, but we'll call it 5. February 17th we started this. And let's see what she cleans up. Get back to you in a bit. That even after 5 washes, that when you pull your rag across the paint, you can still tell that there's a good layer of slickness still there from the ceramic, which is something I've never noticed before when I used other waxes and even New Finish. So that is something that I find to be quite interesting, and we'll see how long that feel lasts as well. So continue to watch the whole video, because I will put my tidbits within, and you need to listen so that you can catch them all. Washes in, and it still looks really good. It's being protected really good because the rag just glides over it. The water beating is still really insane. And we'll continue to work and see how long this holds up. And it definitely shines like a piece of glass.